Assalamualaikum. How are you? Are you good? When I will ask from you, how are you? Then after you will say, I am fine, thank you. What you will say? I am fine, thank you. Or you can say also to good, Alhamdulillah. If I will ask you, how are you? Then you will say, good, Alhamdulillah. Okay, now today we will learn new number. Okay, number 4. Which number is this? Number 4. Number 4. Look, 4 monkeys. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count with me again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 monkeys. What number is this? 4. Okay, first you have to trace number 4 with 2 fingers, okay? Like this. Standing line, sleeping line, again standing line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line. 4. Trace with 2 fingers. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called a doctor. Doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Okay, now count with me. Do you know how to count? Yes, I know how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Do you know how to count? Yes, I know how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. How many sticks are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Which number is this? 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers. Again count with me on fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers are open? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Which number is this? 4. Okay, now I will tell you how to write number 4, okay? Tell me what number comes first? 0. Then after 0, what numbers come? 1. Very good. 1. And then after? Yes, tell me. Number 2. Very good. And then after 2, what number will come? 3. Very good. 3. 2 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. And then what number will come after 3? अब कौन सा नंबर आएगा 3 के बाद? 4. Very good. Okay. Remember these lines? Standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. Okay. Standing line, sleeping line, and then again standing line. 4. Standing line, sleeping line, and then again standing line. Number 4. Okay, now we will count the pictures and then match correct number. Okay? Which picture is this? What shape is this? Triangle. How many triangles are there? 1, 2. Count with me. 1, 2. 2 triangles. Where is number 2? This is number 2? No, this is number 2. Yes. You have to match number 2. Like this. 2. Okay. Next picture. Count. How many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circles. Where is number 4? Like this. Same number 4. This one. Yes. You have to match with number 4. Okay, next picture. How many flowers are there? Count. 1 flower. Where is number 1? There is. Yes, very good. Match with the 1. How many trees are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 trees. Where is the number 3? This one. This one is number 3. Match with the number 3. Now you have to practice with your mama at your home. Okay? Allah Hafiz. Bye.